For the fourth, sponsored by Smith's Sausage House. Number 1 is Geraldine's Hope, owned by Bill Lane. Ryan Holton drives. 2, Arnie's Best, owned by Robert Johns. Driven tonight by David Myers, our Gottlieb's Horseman of the Week. 3, Past the Ammo, owned by Melody Ross and Brad Hanners. 4, Best Quality, owned by George Albert. Jeff Fout will be aboard. 5, King Kelleher, owned by Brent Davis. David Miller will be in the bike. 6, Max H. Dennis, owned by Jeffrey and Ethel Dennis with Darren Mauser. 7 is I Will Overcome, owned by Michael Chris with Dan Ader. 8, Over Mystified, owned by Alan Besco, along with the driver Willard Miller, who will be in the sulky. Trotters for the fourth, David Myers, assistant trainer. And there they go. They're off and trotting. King Kelleher, between horses, takes the lead. Past the Ammo and Arnie's Best along the rail. Best Quality in between horses. Here comes Over Mystified, trotting a storm on the far outside to 5th. Late Lever, I Will Overcome. Geraldine's Hope can't use the rail. She gets away in 7th. Max H. Dennis is the trailer, quarter pole bound. King Kelleher, batting leadoff tonight, has got the top. Tucked in there nicely, second, Arnie's Best. Opening up here in a lively 29 seconds flat. Trotters come past the stands, and Over Mystified, driving up on the outside, is up to challenge the King. King Kelleher right alongside in second. Arnie's Best, the stalking Journey from third. Past the Ammo, drives up on the outside fourth as they move around the clubhouse turn. Best Quality is next. After that, I Will Overcome. Geraldine's Hope can't go on. Max H. Dennis rides the tailgate. They're at the half-mile station. Over Mystified by a length. Arnie's Best on the attack second. 59 and 4. They're out of the turn and down the backstretch. Arnie's Best on the outside now sticks his nose, his head, his neck in front. Arnie's Best has got the lead. Trotting up on the outside. Past the Ammo. Plenty of ammunition right now. As they move into three quarters, Over Mystified is called in a night. Here comes Best Quality on the outside. Tipping and rowing nearly trot setter King Kelleher. We're down to these 5, racing by three quarters in a snappy 129 and 3. Past the Ammo on the outside. Arnie's Best fighting back in second. Coming on between horses, Best Quality third. King Kelleher on the far outside fourth. They're at the head of the stretch. Past the Ammo, getting a BB King Journey now leads the way. Past the Ammo, Best Quality. King Kelleher looking for a minor share in here. It's Past the Ammo, Best Quality second. King Kelleher will finish third. Eight-year-old bay gelding by Practice out of Vidalia, Hanover. Owned in Powell, Ohio by Melody Ross. Trained by Terry Henry. Driven tonight by Brad Hanners, covering that mile in 2 minutes and a fifth. Number 3, Past the Ammo, the unofficial winner. 4, Best Quality second. 5, King Kelleher third. And number 8, Over Mystified fourth. Result of race 4, now official. I'd like to welcome the big group. Race, scratch 5, email. 9th race, scratch number 1, Mr. Precious. 9th race, scratch 1, Mr. Precious. Post time 9:03.